Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get universal rank player Jerzy Dudek in EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So this is the exchange reward Dudek. And before we start, I made this video is for beginner new into this game, still confusing how you can challenge the event, complete the quest so you can get ton of reward from this game. And let's get started by tap the play button. Tap the live events and tap the UEFA Champions League event. This is the main page of this event. Try to search this player exchange. And there are four options here. UCL group stage, David Beckham, CONMEBOL Libertadores event, and this one, universal rank player. So you can get this Jerzy Dudek with OVR 81. This is part of universal player. Tap the trash. Universal rank player which can only be used to rank up 80 until 89 OVR player. So basically this player is not playable. It's just can only be used to rank up your player. So if you need this Jerzy Dudek, you need to fulfill the exchange condition here. By exchange with 85 plus OVR attacker 3 player, 80 plus OVR midfielder 3 player, and 80 plus OVR defender 4 player. If you have or if you fulfill this condition, just tap quick add and you can exchange with Jerzy Dudek. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.